Too many videos only show you the perfect results. I'm going to show you what to do when disaster strikes and you think all is lost. I'm going to call this episode When Disaster Strikes. And what happened is I probably didn't mix thoroughly enough. And so I've got some tacky spots. And what's worse is when I left it covered in the warm garage, there were bubbles like somebody was blowing bubble gum bubbles on the top of this thing. A nail just to get as much of the white out that's been ground in. Sand down the bottom to get a nice flat surface at the bottom, and then chip away at whatever's on the sides. Wash the top,